Hey guys, it's Mina here, and today I'm going to be doing my very first natural hair tutorial. So I'm going to be box braiding my cousin's hair, so it's going to be waist length. Her hair is pretty long, so you guys will see that all in the video. So let's get started. Okay, so for her hair, I'm going to be using the hair X-pression. I have found that it's actually really easy to use when managing and braiding your hair in. So it's actually my favorite to use. This is going to be my second time box braiding hair because the first time I did it on myself. But I feel that this hair is actually really good quality to use if you want to DIY do your own hair.
First, I will be sectioning her hair off with a rat tail comb. I use a rat tail comb because it makes it easier to section off her hair and it makes it nice, even, and straight. Next, I will be using edge control to smooth down her edges to keep it nice and sleek. Then I use the rubber band method to keep her hair in place so that braiding her hair will be easier for me.
I'm ready, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Wherever you are, I want to have an encounter. Wherever I go, I want a meeting. I want to see you in all your glory. Visit me again. Father, visit me again.
Okay, so now I'm going to use pomade to sleek down her natural hair so that it would be easier to braid into the braiding hair.
Whatever you want to do, Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh. What you do, how you do, Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh. Whatever you want to do, Yahweh, Yahweh.
Okay, so now I'm combing the hair to get the knots and tangles out. And I also brush it to make sure that there is no knots at all. Now I'm picking out the ends so that the ends are not blunt and it's easier for me to braid. I put Eco Styling Gel on the hair to smooth it out before I put it on her real hair. Now I just grab her real hair and the braiding hair and I braid all the hairs together, as you can see.
I'm after your kingdom. Draw me in closer, Lord. Just like a chain reaction when I give you devotion, yeah. You're taking me higher again. Father, I say, I'm ready. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh Yahweh, Yahweh. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh Yahweh, Yahweh. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh Yahweh, Yahweh. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Wherever you are, I want to have an encounter. Wherever I go, I want a meeting. I want to see you in all your glory. Encounter. Visit me again. Father, visit me again.
And as I said before, this is my second time doing box braids, so that's why their hair is sticking out. But I mean, it's okay.
Visit me again.
So I ended up doing triangles on her front part because I thought they would look super cute on her, and they do.
Yahweh, Yahweh. Whatever you want to do, Yahweh, Yahweh. It's the way that we walk, Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh. It's the way we feel up, Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh. Encounter. Wherever you are, I want to have an encounter. Wherever I go, I want a meeting. I want to see you in all your glory. Encounter. Visit me again.
Okay, so I'm putting her hair in boiling hot water so that the ends can seal and not unravel. And this is the finished product.
Visit me again.
Okay, so those are the box braids that I did for my cousin. She absolutely loves them. So they took about 5 to 6 hours to finish, but it didn't feel that long because we were just hanging out, talking, and watching movies. So yeah, that's basically it. So I really hope that you guys liked my first natural hair tutorial. Please like and subscribe and comment what you think about them below. So see y'all next time.